From R.D. Sharma, class 7th, mathematics, chapter number 14, that is lines and angle. In that exercise 14.1, question number 20. Find the value of x in each of the following. Now we have to find here the value of x. Okay, now one angle we had given x and another angle we had given 60. Now it is straight. Two angle we had given straight line. Straight line means 180. Okay, so this is linear pair or supplementary. Linear pair or supplementary angle, we can say. So if we'll add 60 plus x equal to 180, reason is linear pair. Okay, then 6x equal to 180 minus 60. Therefore x equal to 0. 8 minus 6 is 2, 1. So x is 120 degree. So x equal to 120 degree. Okay, now in the second one also the same. We can say this is linear pair. So 3x plus 2x equal to 180. So 3x plus 2x equal to 180. So 3 plus 2 is 5x equal to 180. Therefore x equal to 180 upon 5. Therefore x equal to 5 ones are 5, 3s are 15. 8 minus 5 is 3, 30. 6, 30 is there, so 5, 6 are 30. So answer is 36. X equal to 36. So here x equal to we get 36. What we have to find? 3x and 2x. So instead of x we will write here what? 36. So 3 into 36. 3x equal to 3 into 36. So which is equal to 3 into 6 is 18. 3 3s are 9 and 10. So 108. Okay, and here 2x. So 2x equal to 2 into 36. 6 2s are 12. 2 3s are 6 and 7. So 72. So another angle is 72. First is 108 and 72 is the answer. Okay, now third one. Here it is given 35 angle x and 60. Okay, so what we will do? We'll plus this all three and equal to 180 because it is supplementary. So 35 plus x plus 60 equal to 180. Reason I am writing that is supplementary. Supplementary angle. Okay, now 35 plus 60 plus 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 equal to 180. So x equal to 180 minus 95. So x equal to 180 minus 95 is 10 minus 5 is 5 and 8. Here 10 minus 5 is 5 and 17 minus 9 is 8. So answer is 85. Okay, so x equal to 85. Now your fourth one, we had given all angle, that is 83, 92, 75, 47 and x. We have to find the x. Now what we have to do? Sum of all these three angle equal to 360, right? If we'll plus all these three angle, then we will get 360. We will add it. Okay, 83 plus 92 plus 75 plus 47 plus x equal to 360. Now we will add all these four angle. So 3 plus 2 5, 10, 17. So 7 upon 1, 9, 10, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. 29 plus x equal to 360. Therefore, x equal to 360 minus 297. Therefore, x equal to 10 minus 7 is 3. 15 minus 9 is 6. And 2 minus 2 is 0. So, answer is 63 degree. Okay. Now, fifth one. Here also we had given all angle. We have to plus it and equal to 360 because whole angle is there. So, what we have to do, first we have to find out the value of x. Then we will put the value of here x. So, we will find this angle 2x, 3x and 2x. So, what we will do, first we will plus 2x plus x plus 2x plus 3x equal to 360. Therefore, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8x equal to 360. Therefore, x equal to 36 upon 8. Therefore, x equal to 8 4s are 32. So, 4, 6 minus 2 is 4, 40. So, 5s are 40. So, angle x equal to 45. Now, what we have to find? 2x. So, 2x equal to 2 into 45. So, 2 5s are 10, 4 2s are 8, 90. Another one, 3x equal to 2 into 45. So, equal to 2 5s are 10, 4 2s are 8 and 3 it is there. 3 5s are 15 and 4 3s are 12, 13. So, this is 90 degree, 2x equal to 90 degree and 3x equal to 135 degree. Got each and every angle? Now here, we have to find these two angles. Only 3x we have to find. That means x we have to find. Now here it is vertically opposite angle. So this is 105. So this is also 105 only. Okay. So what we have to do, we'll write 3x equal to 105, which is 105 upon 3. Here reason vertically opposite angle. Okay, and we have to find in question number 20 this value of x only. Okay, so value of x we will find, that is 105 divided by 3. So 3 1s are 3 3s are 9, 1 remain, 5s are 15. So therefore x equal to 35 degree. X. Okay, in question number of 20 only we have to find the value of x. That's all. In figure 22, it begin given that angle 1 equal to 65 degree. Find all the other angle. Now here only angle 1 equal to 65 degree given. Okay, if angle 1 is 65, so we can write angle 3 is also 65. Okay, so see, angle 1 equal to angle 3. Reason is vertically opposite angle. So therefore 1 is 65 equal to angle 3. Therefore angle 3 equal to 65 degree. Now we have to find angle 2 and angle 4. Now we can see this is linear pair 1 and 2. So we can write angle 1 plus angle 2 equal to 180 degree because it is linear pair. So what we will write? Angle 1 plus angle 2 equal to 180. Reason is linear pair. So therefore angle 1 is 65 degree plus angle 2 equal to 180. So angle 2 equal to 180 minus 65, which is equal to 10 minus 5 is 5. 10 minus 5, 5. 7 minus 6, 1 and 1. So answer is 115. Now this is 115, 2. So we can write angle 4 is 115 because vertically opposite angle. So angle 4 equal to angle 2. Therefore angle 4 equal to is 115. 5 degree. So angle 4 is 115 degree. Now in figure 23, OA and OB are opposite ray. If x equal to 25, what is the value of y? If y equal to 35, what is the value of x? Now in figure 223, here we had given in first question x equal to 25. Okay, so what is the value of, we have to find the value of y. Now this is linear pair, so we can write first one 2y plus 5 plus 3x equal to 180 because of linear pair, right? 180 linear pair. Now we had given in first one value of x is 25. So 2y plus 5 plus 3 into 25 equal to 180. Okay, now 2y as it is plus 5 as it is, will multiply 5 3s are 15, 2 3s are 6, 7 equal to 180. So 2y plus, will plus it 10 and 7 plus 1 is 8 equal to 180. So 2y equal to 180 minus 80. So 2y equal to 180 minus 80 is 100. So y equal to 100 upon 2. 2 ones are 2 50s are. So therefore y equal to 50 is the answer. Got it? Now same as for, if we had given y equal to 35. Okay, now instead of y we have to write 35 here and we will find the value of x. Same thing we have to do for second one also. In question number 24, in figure 25, find angle x, further find angle BOC, angle COD and angle AOD. Means these three angle we have to find and angle x we have to find. So we will plus these three angle equal to 180. Supplementary angle it is because on the straight line. So let us do that. So I had drawn this figure. Now first of all we will plus this all angle. I'll write here name A, O, B, C and D. Now first we have to write this all these three angles, which is x plus 10 plus x plus 20 equal to 180 supplementary angle. Therefore 1, 2, 3x plus 10 plus 20, 30 equal to 180. Therefore 3x equal to 180 minus 30. Therefore 3x equal to 8 minus 3 is 50. So 5, 150. Therefore x equal to 150 upon 3. Therefore x equal to 3 ones are 3 50s are. So x we had find, angle x is 50. That only first we have said that angle x we have to find, that is 50. Another we had said that angle BOC. Now BOC means this angle. So x plus 20 we will write, x plus 20. Now instead of x we will write 50 plus 20. So equal to 5 plus 2, 70. So angle BOC is 70 degree. Another angle we had find COD, means this angle only. So angle x equal to COD, 50. Now last angle which is AOD. This AOD means x plus 10. So we will write here x plus 10. So equal to 50 plus 10 equal to 60 degree. So angle AOD is 60, angle COD is 50 and angle BOC is 70 degree. All three angles we had to find. 25. How many pair of adjacent angle are formed when two lines intersect in a point? Now two lines intersect at one point. Okay, like this way. Two lines intersect at one point. How many pair of adjacent angle we have to find? Adjacent angle in one arm common and another different and one vertex. Okay, so this one is first pair, this first pair, this one second pair. Okay, this two angle is third pair and this two angle is fourth pair. So how many pair are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4 pair. So 4. Answer is here 4. 4 pairs. 4 pair of adjacent angle are formed. Now in 27, in figure 27, determine the value of x. Only we have to find the value of x. Okay. Now this one we had given 27. Only find the value of x. So 3x given and x. So first of all, if we'll say that 3x is 3x, means 3x plus 3x equal to 180. Why? It is linear pair. Linear pair. Okay. So 3x plus 3x is 6x equal to 180. So x equal to 180 divided by 6. So 6 ones are 6 3s are 18 and 0. So x equal to 30. Got the value of x? X equal to 30. Okay, only we have to find the value of x, not rest all. So we'll stop here. In figure 28, AOC is a line. Find the x. Now in figure this 28, we have to find the value of x. So this is straight line AC. Okay, AOC is straight line. Now we can see this two angle is linear pair. So we can plus it. 70 plus 2x. 70 plus 2x equal to 180. Reason is linear pair. So 2x equal to 180 minus 70. Therefore x equal 2x equal to 0, 1, 1. So x equal to 110 upon 2. 2 ones are 2, 5s are 10, 5s are 10. Therefore x equal to 55. Only find the value of x, not given that find the value of angle or anything. Only we had given that x. So we will find the value of x only. If we had given that you have to find the value of any angle, then you have to do forward. In question 30, in figure 30, lines L1 and L2 intersect at O, forming angle as shown in the figure. If x equal to 45, then find the value of y, z and u. Now here, in 30, x equal to what we had given, that is 45. Okay, we have to find the value of z, y and u. What we will do, this is vertically opposite, so x equal to z. So what is that? Is 45 only. Now this is linear pair, so we will plus it. Y plus z equal to 180. So angle y plus z equal to 180. Linear pair. So therefore this y we had not given. So y as it is plus 45 degree equal to 180. So y equal to 180 minus 45. So y equal to 10 minus 5, 5, 8 minus 4, 4 and 1. So y is 145 degree. So u also 145 degree, because y equal to u. Reason is vertically opposite angle. So therefore 145 equal to u. Thank you for watching this video.